Welcome to HydroHelp911, your go-to resource for all your floor leveling needs. In today's video, we'll discuss the best ways to level your floors based on common issues that we often encounter. If your floors are sagging or sloping, it's important to understand the underlying cause before proceeding with any repairs. Let's explore the potential reasons for these problems. One common cause of sagging or sloping floors is poor soil conditions beneath the foundation walls or the piers and columns under your home. This issue requires deep foundation support systems such as helical piers. However, we strongly advise involving a structural engineer, a geotechnical engineer, or a professional foundation repair company to evaluate that situation. Installing deep foundation systems requires specialized equipment that most contractors or handymen do not possess. Be aware of those who offer quick fixes without considering the root cause. In many cases, sagging or sloping floors can be attributed to excessive spans in the girders, floor joist, or rim joist. The solution here is relatively straightforward. We need to install mid-span supports to cut the span in half. These supports can take the form of a drop girder, also known as a drop beam, which utilizes a steel I-beam. Alternatively, installing CMU piers or crawl-space jacks can also address that issue effectively. If termite damage or wood rot due to high humidity is the cause of your floor problems, it is crucial to restore the structural integrity of your home. This involves supporting the affected area and replacing the damaged wood. To ensure a proper fix, consult with professionals who specialize in repairing such issues. They will employ the necessary techniques to return your home to its original state. Lastly, if your floor issues stem from improper connections, consider yourself fortunate. This is the easiest, simplest, and often the cheapest problem to fix. A professional company can come in and rectify this situation by ensuring proper connections, such as using ledger strips or joist hangers instead of just toe nailing the wood into the girders or the band. Remember, when dealing with sagging or sloping floors, identifying the root cause is crucial for an effective solution. Whether it's poor soil conditions, excessive spans, termite damage, wood rot, or improper connections, each problem requires a specific approach. For complex issues like poor soil conditions, involve experts who possess the required equipment and knowledge. For simpler problems, seek the assistance of professional repair companies. They will provide the right solutions to level your floors and restore the stability of your home. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to contact us at www.hydrohelp911.com, or you can give us a call at 704-813-9554. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to help with all of your floor leveling needs.